shown off to the side. Margin is the amount of money that's set aside from our account while a trade is held open. But it's not a cost, it's not